materials you're going to need for this project. As you can see, I used material that has a different pattern on the back, but this is optional. Here's the pieces you're going to need to cut out. I'm taking the straps, the long piece right side's touching, and we're going to sew along one end and the long side. And then with the small one, we're just going to sew along the top. Make sure right sides are touching. Now we're going to clip the corner and trim down the seam allowance. Turn your straps right side out. For the seam on the small strap, I'm putting it towards the back. And for the seam on the long strap, I'm putting it on the side. And now I'm just top stitching over the straps. Now we're taking our two D-rings and we're going to put it on the small strap and fold it over just like this, pin it, and we're going to sew right below them. Now laying out our main piece, what I'm going to do is hem mine backwards because I want the back fabric piece to show up in the front, but if you don't have two-sided fabric, then go ahead and hem it to the back like normal. So I just folded it over and over again, all the way around. We're going to sew all the sides except for the top, so leave that open. So like I said, we left the top open. I'm folding it in half and measuring over 7 inches, and this is where I'm going to put one of my straps. So on the right side, I'm putting my long strap underneath my hem, and I'm going to stitch it down. And I'm putting my smaller strap on the other side. Now we're going to sew all the way across the top, over the straps, but before we get to that second strap, we're going to stop and leave a hole for our boning to go in about 1 inch. So we're going to put our presser foot up, skip a spot, put it back down, and continue sewing all the way across. Once it's done, we're going to fold our straps up and we're going to stitch them down again. And I'm going to sew a box. So once those are sewn, we have that hole that we left open for the boning, and we're going to put our boning into it. And then we're going to go and close that hole. And now our nursing cover is complete, and all we have to do is attach our straps, and all you do is take the long strap, put it under your D-rings, put it over one of them, and pull it through. And that fastens it. And then you just adjust it to whatever size you need, and your nursing cover is done. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.